Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Babbel app. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will search about Babbel app. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, you go to Play Store. And here you will go to Babbel app. If you find updates, then you will update your app on blue sign here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.